Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I've got an absolute 80s classic. This is a thing called Don't Dream It's Over by Crowded House. So if this is what you're up for, go grab your guitar. I will meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, Don't Dream It's Over sounds a little something like this. Let me show you how that's done. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. It starts off with knowing that the capo is on the 1st fret. That's how this is done first off. Secondly, we're going to be putting our first finger, for the intro, we're going to put our first finger on the 6th fret of the E string. Then on the 8th fret, with our remaining 3 fingers, we're going to put the second finger on the 8th fret D string. Then we're going to go down to the G string, 8th fret G string, and then 8th fret B string with our little finger. So we've got this going on. Play the 4 strings down. We've got that chord. There we go. So we want the down, up. So down, up. We're licking up with our. We've got that little fast lick up with the plectrum. Okay. So we're going to go down, up, down, down, up, down, and then we're going to slide down. We're going to bring these 3 fingers now from the 8th fret down to the 6th fret, and obviously that will make our first finger now be on the 4th fret. Okay, so let's go through that again. So we're going to go from that position down to this position. So we're going to go down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, so we do that again. Down, up, down, down, up, down. See, that's where we divide the 2 downs, one up here, and then between one up there and the one moved down. So we got down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Then we've got the bit that goes. We'll do that in a sec. We'll go through this one more time. So we've got down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then we've got. Let me show you how that's done. So we're going to be open A. We're going to hammer down on the 3rd fret. I'm still calling that 3rd fret even though we've got the capo there, okay? So we're going to open A and then hammer down with our first finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. And then we're going to do the same with the D string. So we've got, and then we're going to go play the D string open, but then hammer down onto the A string 3rd fret without plucking it first. So we're just literally coming down so hard that it's causing the A string to sound on the 3rd fret. So we've got, so A string open and then hammer down, D string open and hammer down, and then D string open and then hammer down on the 3rd fret of the A string. So we've got, and then A string open and then hammer down again, and then hammer down one more time on the D string. So we've got now, and then D string open. So it should sound like this. And then that'll be the first chord we play. Which brings us into the song. So let's do the song. So it's down, up, down, down, up, down, and then we've got B minor. Now B minor. If you're familiar with these bar chords, hopefully you are. I've done a whole video on bar chords, but I'll just bring this up to the camera to show you. B minor. So we've gone from D to a B minor. Now you've got a choice here. You can either go open G. My advice to you would be to go D, B minor, then slide up a step, bring your fingers back up to the major position. That gives you your G, and then slide back down again in formation, which gives you your F sharp. Okay, so you've got D, B minor, G, F sharp, and then again D, B minor, G, F sharp. Okay, so let's go through that. So we got, so it's down, up, down, down, up, and then next chord. So that D, then G, F sharp, D, B minor, G, F sharp. So that is the verses. That's what the verses sound like. So then we're going to move on to the chorus, the hey now, don't dream it's over bit. We've got G to the A, and then to a D, and then a B minor, and it goes round. So that's the rotation: G, A, D, B minor, G, A, D, B minor. G, A, B minor, then stay in G, A. Got a choice there. You can slide up from the G there to an A there. So that last A is, and then you go back into the verse again. So let's take you through the chorus. So we've got G to the A and D, B minor, G, A, D, B minor, G, A, D, B minor, G, 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 A, and then back to the verse again. D, B minor, G, F sharp, D, B minor, G, F sharp, and then the chorus: G, A, D, B minor, G, A, D, B minor, G, A, D, G. You can get a bit funky with the strumming. Right, so sometime after the organ, the keyboard part, the instrumental, you'll hear the guitar going. So let me show you how that's done. So we're going to be barring down on the 8th fret, strings 4, 3, 2, 1. Gives us that chord. You're not really playing the first string, but you're not playing it at all. You sort of stop, but don't make a conscious thing out of it. Just you want to hear that kind of sound. So it all roots around that bar. So keep that bar on all the time. So what we're going to do, we're going to pick the D string and then hammer down onto the 10th fret of the D string with our 3rd finger. And then we're going to up pick on the G. So we get this. And then we're going to put our little finger on the 11th fret of the B string. And then we're going to be on, with our 2nd finger, we're going to be on the 9th fret of the B string. And then we're going to up pick on the chord. So we should have this all together. So that's down, up, up. So do that again for you slowly. Sorry. So we've got that. So it does that. Then it does half, and then there's a bend. I'll show you. Then it does. Okay. So let me show you how that's done. So the same starting bit. So we're striking down on the G string. On the 10th fret, and we're making 3 notes out of it. So this the note it starts off at, the note it goes up to, and then the note it originally starts off at again. So, okay. And then that note is part of the bar. That's the G string. And then 10th fret of the D string with our 3rd finger. So we got. And then we slide down to the 6th fret, again with our bar position with our 1st finger. So let's go back to the 8th fret again. So let's take you through that one more time. So we've got this bit. So. And then we got down, up, up, and then we got half the phrase with the bend. Okay. And then it goes back to the full phrase again. Then slide down to the 6th fret. One more time. So nice and quick then. So there we have it. Don't Dream It's Over by The Great Crowded House. How did you get along? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any suggestions for any future songs you'd like me to take to pieces and show you how to play in another video. Thank you very much if you've liked and subscribed already. And if you liked today's video, please can you like and subscribe for me, as it helps me grow the channel and bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So until we meet again, take great care of yourself, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.